Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on figuring out which 3D shapes, three-dimensional shapes, we see in a built shape. Today's lesson is 11.4, and the very first example is Mike has a cone, a cube, a cylinder, and a rectangular prism. He chose some shapes to build a bridge. Which shapes did Mike use to build the bridge? It says here that he chose some shapes. That means he did not use all of the shapes that he had. He only used some of them. Here is what he built. There are some shapes here that he used, and there are shapes that he did not use. Let's look at all parts of this shape that he built and decide what shapes he used. What do we need to find? We need to find which shapes Mike chose to build the bridge. What information do I need to use? Mike has these shapes. Our job is to decide which of these four shapes did he use to build this bridge. Now, one thing I noticed is that these shapes on top are shorter than what I see he has. Does that mean the shape changed, or is it just a different length? It's just a different length. These two shapes on top are cylinders. They are shorter cylinders, but they are still cylinders. So let's trace over the cylinder shape to identify that he used a cylinder for his bridge. We're going to trace the cylinder. Now let's look at his bridge again. What other shape is this? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other blocks, and it looks like they're all the same shape. These are all a rectangular prism. Let's trace over the rectangular prism. Show how to solve the problem. We are going to circle the shapes that he used. We've already traced them up here, so we just have to circle them. On the next page, we have a lot of different shapes, a lot of different things that Kim has built. Let's start to read together. Follow along, point to the words and follow along. Kim used shapes to build this castle. Use three-dimensional shapes. Circle your answer. This is a very big castle. It has lots of different shapes and lots of different colors. Which shapes did Kim use to build the tower? So this is one of the parts of the castle that Kim built. What shapes did she use to build the tower? I see two shapes that are two different colors. She used the cone for the top of the tower and a cylinder for the base of the tower. Which shapes did Kim use to build this wall? Here's the wall. Now we have some tall shapes and some very short shapes. These tall shapes are rectangular prisms. These short shapes are cubes. Are there any other shapes she used to build this wall? No, she only used cubes and rectangular prisms. Let's do number 3 together. which shapes did Kim use to build this wall? Now this is a different part of the wall, a different part of the castle, another wall she built. What shapes do you think she used here? Good job. I see cubes and cylinders. Now I want to double check. Do I see any rectangular prisms here? No, so we won't circle that. Do I see any cones in this wall? No, so I won't circle that either. I want you to do number 4 by yourself. Which shapes did Kim use to build the gate? And here's her gate. Let's look at all the parts of the gate and decide what shapes did she use to build this gate. Look at the 4 options that you have and decide which shapes she used to make a gate. Good. She used a rectangular prism for the top of the gate and 2 cylinders for each side of the gate. Now you guys are going to do this activity page by yourself. So far, we've done all the shapes that have only had 2 shapes in each thing that she built. There was only a cylinder and a cone for the tower. There was only cubes and rectangular prisms for one wall, and cubes and cylinders for another wall, and a cylinder and a rectangular prism for the gate. Now when we look here, number 5 also has 2 shapes. Number 6 is a little trickier. So let's look at number 6 together before you guys go on your own and do this page. Chris used shapes to build this wall. Which shapes did Chris use? I see a lot of different shapes in a lot of different colors. Now if you notice in the middle, these shapes are divided by the lines. And these shapes are not divided by the lines. So this is one shape and these are 3 separate blocks. Keep that in mind when you decide what shapes Chris used. You guys are going to do page 653 by yourself and page 654 by yourself. On page 654, it says circle the ways that show the same shape. So they might be different shapes to make the same shapes, but we want the shape to be exactly the same. I see that one of these is longer than the other 2. So that wouldn't be the same shape. These also look very similar. Are they the same shape even though there's different ways to make it? Be very careful when you choose your answers. Once you finish with the activity pages, you guys are going to complete page 655 for your homework and 656 for your homework. Please remember you only need to post your homework pages on the math portfolio. Good luck, guys. See you soon.